Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. If you are seeing the message Gcash Accessibility Services detected, please disable it in the settings to continue. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Firstly, let's understand why this problem happens. This error appears because Gcash has a strong security system. If any third party app is using accessibility services like screen recorder apps, auto clicker apps, screen overlay apps, or some cleaner apps, Gcache blocks access for security reasons. Now let's fix the problem. Firstly, open the settings app. Now click on the apps option. Click on Gcache. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache and clear storage. Tap on delete. Now go back to the previous page. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Now go back to the home page and again open the settings app. Now scroll down and click on accessibility. Now check which apps are turned on. If you see apps like auto clicker, screen recorder, any unknown third party apps, cleaner apps, screen overlay apps, or AON services, turn them off. And after disabling them, go back to the home page and restart your mobile phone once. And if the error still appears, uninstall suspicious apps completely and update Gcache from Play Store. And yeah, that's it for today. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.